Okay. Jeez. Am I wrong? Was this place a lot more fun when we were younger?
No, I think it's the same.
Just as obnoxious as these kids back in the day?
No. Us, our generation, we were more mature.
Hey guys, check it out.
Take that back. Oh my God.
Fellas, do you got us there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we do need to stare.
Could you be any more obvious? Give him a break. I mean, it's not every day you get to see a model walking around with a page.
There hasn't been a whole lot of sexy time.